Dad?
Hi, Lara. You look quiet today.
Yes, Dad. My mind feels busy.
Busy with what, sweetie?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, teacher said we will speak in class.
Ah,
She asked, "What will you be doing at 10 a.m. tomorrow?"
future continuous.
I didn't understand, Dad.
That's okay, sweetie.
Friends answered fast. I stayed silent.
Oh, I see.
I also feel tired, Dad.
Long day?
Yes, very long.
Drink some water.
Okay, Dad.
Lara, breathe slowly. Good. Learning English takes time.
Yes, Dad.
You don't need to be perfect.
I just want to understand.
And you will. Lara, future continuous talks about an action in progress in the future.
In progress?
Yes, it will be happening at a future time.
Oh,
Let me give you an example. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., I will be teaching.
will be teaching.
Yes. Another one. At 8 p.m. tonight, you will be studying.
I will be studying.
Good. Remember this easy formula, sweetie. Subject plus will be plus verb-ing.
Will be verb-ing.
Yes, I will be reading. She will be sleeping. They will be playing.
They will be playing.
Perfect. Let's practice verbing. Study becomes studying. Read becomes reading. Write becomes writing. Play becomes playing. Sleep becomes sleeping. Eat becomes eating.
Studying, reading, writing.
Very good. Now, Laura, let's practice. What will you be doing tomorrow morning?
I will be waking up early.
Nice.
I will be brushing my teeth.
Good.
I will be going to school.
Excellent.
I will be sitting in class.
Perfect.
Dad,
Yes,
sometimes I feel scared in class.
I know.
Friends laugh.
That hurts.
But tomorrow
Yes,
I will be trying again.
that is brave.
Even if my voice shakes.
Trying is learning. Repeat after me, sweetie. I will be studying English.
I will be studying English.
I will be doing homework.
I will be doing homework.
I will be helping my mother.
I will be helping my mother.
Great. Now let's practice some WH questions. What will you be doing at 7 p.m.?
I will be eating dinner.
Where will you be sitting?
I will be sitting at home.
Who will be helping you?
My dad will be helping me.
Now let's practice negative. Will not be equals won't be.
Won't be.
Repeat. I won't be sleeping in class.
I won't be sleeping in class.
She won't be crying.
She won't be crying.
Very good, sweetie. So, how will you answer if teacher asks, what will you be doing at 10 a.m.?
I will be studying.
Good. Will you be playing in class?
No, I won't.
Good student. Now let's practice a short paragraph, sweetie.
Tomorrow at 9 a.m., I will be going to school. I will be sitting in class. I will be listening to my teacher. I will be trying to speak English.
Beautiful. Quick recap, sweetie.
Okay, Dad.
Meaning.
Action in progress in the future.
Formula.
Will be plus verb ing.
Excellent.
Dad,
Yes, Laura?
I felt scared before.
I know.
Now I feel hopeful.
Because you learned.
Tomorrow I will be raising my hand,
Yes.
even if my voice is soft.
Your courage is strong. Good night, Laura.
Good night, Dad.